No such reason behind my exit. एंड ऐसा नहीं होता यार. एक शो था, मुझे पता है कि उस शो में क्या हो रहा था. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. प्लीज, these were all rumors. It can be Rubina because of a gameplay. You know what? ऐसा होता है ना कि धागा जब टूट जाता है उसको दोबारा आप जोड़ो भी तो एक गिठान उसमें रहती है. So that knot is there. For me, I never thought that she would play that kind of game with me, but she did. Because what happened was not me. It was something completely crazy that happened. I don't want to watch it and I want to delete that part of life.
Welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you.
Know I love you, and when we watched you on the show on Big Boss, it was a lovely journey. I think you got a lot of supporters inside. Of course, I am actually shocked to say that that you were the one who was evicted this week. But at the end of the day, you garnered a lot of fan following and of course love from the show, right? But tell me, did it shock you as well when your name was announced?
See, honestly, हम चारों में से कोई भी जाता शॉकिंग और सरप्राइजिंग होता क्योंकि हम चारों ही बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग थे. एंड मैं उस टाइम शॉक्ड और सरप्राइज के अलावा इस सुकून में थी that it's me and not Ali.
That's actually very lovely. But हमने देखा अली का क्या, मतलब he actually was in a very messy situation at that point. Were you scared seeing him? Because when we watched on screen,
it was heartbreaking for me to see him break down like that. मैं अब भी वो clip, वो moment देखती हूँ तो मेरे आंसू आ जाते हैं. It was heartbreaking for me to see him like that, and I was like, what have I done in life that I deserve this kind of love and this kind of man?
But that's great. Finally, you have acknowledged the fact that this is not just friendship, it is more than that, and I'm very happy that you finally realized that. But tell me, when was that time when you realized, when you thought that, okay, maybe I am disguising my love in the name of friendship?
I think when he came on the show for me, that was the time, because उसके आने से उसके ना रहने की अहमियत पता चली और why we took it for granted for so long, वो एहसास हुआ.
Right. And what about your parents? Because a lot. I read somewhere where you said that they are okay with the relationship, but from what audiences saw on television, it felt like your parents were not okay with the relationship.
No, they were misunderstood. Their perspective was only regarding the show, because since last 2 weeks, regarding the game, because since last 2 weeks, like last week मैं उस ग्रुप में बात करने के लिए नॉमिनेट हो गई. उससे पिछले हफ्ते मैं कैप्टनसी टास्क से निकाली गई क्योंकि एक नियम टूट गया था अली से, दो उसकी इंटेंशन ऐसी नहीं थी. So it was only game perspective, nothing personal.
Right. But are they okay with the relationship? Did you speak to them after you came out?
Yeah, I spoke to them. Why will they not be okay with the relationship? उसमें क्या खराबी है? It's not a crime to fall in love. There's nothing wrong in it. And अली में भी क्या कमी है कि मेरे पेरेंट्स को एतराज होगा.
But you two as Jasly look really lovely. Have you been seeing the trends that have been going on for both of you? It's amazing.
Yeah, it has broken all the records. Like,
did you expect this kind of an outbreak and this kind of a response from the fans?
I had no clue, man. I had no clue that my fans love me so much. They're fighting for me so much. They are staying up all night, all day. मतलब मैं जीत गई. मैं बाहर आके जो मैं देख रही हूँ, मैं जीत गई. मेरे फैन, जो लोग मुझे प्यार करते हैं, जो लोग मेरी जिंदगी में अहमियत रखते हैं, वो हैं फैंस और व्यूवर्स, और ये देख के मैं जीत गई.
And I'm so happy that you're taking all of this in such a sporting spirit.
Yeah, man.
But you have to tell me this now, because हमने आपका घर में obviously we saw the camaraderie that you shared with Ali. But what happened is when he first entered the house, a lot of people felt, and I'm sure आपको घर पे भी काफी लोगों ने बोला था कि आप थोड़ी सी negative दिखने लग गए, because in the initial few episodes you were the heart of Big Boss. Like, I saw so many people who perhaps did not follow your shows earlier. They were a fan. And then I saw there was a little change in equations, especially in terms of Rubina and then of course Abhinav. How does the relationship stand today, if I may ask?
Yeah, you know what? It was again misunderstood. It's because of Ali. Actually, when I went in the show, being normally me, not knowing people how they are, 4-5 हफ्ते आपको लगते हैं लोगों को समझने में, 4-5 हफ्ते में आपको समझ आने लगता है कौन आपको टारगेट कर रहा है, कौन आपके साथ है. You know, you start getting triggered. So those were just reactions to those triggers which are very conveniently, you know, जिसके लिए अली को blame कर दिया गया, जबकि ऐसा नहीं है. Heart of the house, a happy bubbly person also gets angry. A cute happy person doesn't get angry. Oh, मुझे आप पे गुस्सा आ रहा है, आप अच्छे नहीं लग रहे. No, these are all human emotions. Everybody has those, and they surface. So it was very conveniently just put on Ali. And where the relationship stands is, I've never had any hatred for Rubina or any enmity. हाँ, both of us are very strong opinionated women. तो उसकी opinion होती थी, मेरी होती थी. उसको कुछ लगता था तो वो अपना गेम खेल रही है जिस तरीके से उसे खेलना है. वो अगर मुझ पे कोई वो लगाते थे तो मैं पलट के जवाब देती थी. That's about it. And I have no negativity, hatred against her or anything. And it's just that the friendship that happened in the house, that ended there only. And that's it. We're done and dusted with it.
Will you try to mend those things? Because when you were actually coming out, I think Rubina was also amongst those who had tears in her eyes, and she was also getting emotional because, of course, you both shared a great bond inside.
Yeah, she was emotional, you know, also because, you know, we spent 100 days together. You know, maybe we did not share that great bond in the end, but we lived together for 100 days. We ate together, slept together, fought together, survived together. So that attachment is very human, very natural, and that was there. And I wish we would have realized these things thoda pehle, you know.
अभी भी देर नहीं हुई है खैर. I would still wait to see a selfie of you two, perhaps maybe going out for
you know what, ऐसा होता है ना कि धागा जब टूट जाता है उसको दोबारा आप जोड़ो भी तो एक गिठान उसमें रहती है. So that knot is there. For me, I never thought that she would play that kind of game with me, but she did. And for me, human relationships, human emotions that I create with people are very real and very clean. और अगर वो एक बार hurt हो गए तो I'm hurt.
Okay, no problem about that. But tell me, I think one of the things which really left us all in shock was Salman Khan breaking down when he announced your eviction, because that has never happened in other 13 seasons, you know. He has been well connected with other contestants as well, but I don't remember a point where he actually had tears while announcing an eviction. What do you think? I mean, did you also feel that?
क्या सलमान सर के लिए मैं क्या बोलूं. he was always so sweet, so nice, और वो किसी गलती के लिए समझाते भी थे तो इस तरीके से समझाते थे कि आप कहीं ना कहीं भी लो ना हो जाओ. You know, there was a connection which was beautiful. I love him and respect him a lot.
I think the only time he ever you received a little bit of flack for him was when the Rakhi Sawant episode happened. In retrospect today, what do you think about it? Do you realize that you went wrong somewhere?
I could have dealt it in a better way.
Right. Now, please tell me, I mean, did you happen to, I mean, one of the highlights of Jasmine Bhasin inside the Bigg Boss house was after your argument with Rahul Vaidya, the sort of reaction you had. Did you happen to watch yourself after?
No. Because what happened was not me. It was something completely crazy that happened. I don't want to watch it and I want to delete that part of life.
Right. But are you doing well now mentally as well? Because
I am much better, though it takes little time because, you know, that house is a lot of mental, emotional pressure and you live with that 24/7. So I would be needing some time, but I'm much better now.
I'm happy to hear that. Really happy. Now, before I let you go, I have to also ask you, you know, Vikas Gupta, Ali and Vikas Gupta's whatever conversation they had, of course it made headlines for various reasons, Jasmine. And उसी में नागिन की बात आई थी and somehow rumors...
नागिन की कहाँ बात आई?
Rumors were flying that, you know, Vikas helped Rashmi get into Nagin 4, which was also the reason why... behind your exit. That was what the rumors were.
No, these are just rumors. There's no such reason behind my exit. एंड ऐसा नहीं होता यार, एक शो था, हम मुझे पता है कि उस शो में क्या हो रहा था, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. प्लीज, दीज आर ऑल रूमर्स.
Right, and what do we see you do next? Will you be up for going inside the house yet again if you get an opportunity?
If I get an opportunity, for the love of my fans, for the way they've been fighting, and for the love of my life, Ali, I would love to go.
How sweet. Now, lastly, I want to know that, I mean, you know, what are your upcoming projects like? Do you have anything in
See,
place?
since I've come back, I'm like staying away from my phone, social media, everything. I'm just taking a break. Once I get back to at all of that, I'll see what kind of offers. And as I used to say earlier, I'm very greedy, be it web, be it television, be it movies. I'm greedy for whatever comes my way, which excites me and gives me an opportunity to try something new, something different. So I'm up for all of that.
Right, and lastly now, because I already read that of course Ali, you would want to see him winning that trophy. But apart from him, whom Salman Khan दो हाथ अपने पास रखेंगे, right? एक तो अली का आपके हिसाब से होगा, दूसरा who do you think should?
काश मेरा होता.
But in case of that doesn't happen, because there is always a chance of you going back as well. You never know, right?
It can be Rubina because of her gameplay.
Right. But we hope to see you very, very soon, and you please take care, Jasmine. And
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.